I'm Betty. Welcome to my kitchen. To celebrate our 60th wedding anniversary this year, we traveled over on the Queen Mary II to England, where we visited many of my Scottish family, most of whom now reside in England, with lots of their English grandchildren. And of course, when we visit, I often get the chance to cook. This time, it was when we visited my cousin Margaret in Hay-on-Wye, near the Welsh border. And on Sunday, I was asked to cook Sunday lunch. And Margaret told me what she had were some chicken breasts. So I sort of rummaged through her pantry, came up with some canned tomatoes, and made a quick marinara sauce. Margaret had on hand some breadcrumbs, fresh, that she had frozen. So we mixed those up, and voila, with the help of her grandson Johnny and Margaret herself, we had a lovely Sunday lunch in no time. So making dinner became a family affair. Charlie helped open the cans of tomatoes. And then I got it going on the stove. Margaret helped by preparing the chicken breasts. And Johnny, our intrepid wannabe chef, helped the grating of the cheese that we put into the breadcrumbs, along with some oregano and basil. Once we had all the chicken fried, we popped it into the oven to keep it warm while we boiled the pasta. And Johnny was really helpful in stirring the pasta to make sure that it didn't stick.
Yeah, got it.
And he was quite eager to test it to make sure it was done to just the right degree.
I see how you're a really good cook.
Charlie? No, brought him back. He's not happy here.
No, he's watching TV.
Oh, is he? Okay.
He loves talking about it. Oh!
When it was all finished, we gathered at the table with Johnny and Charlie and Lizzie and Molly, my cousin Margaret, and her son Ian, who had kindly driven us down there for the weekend. All in all, it was a successful dinner enjoyed by all.
That's food I've had. I found where.
Is it good?
I found where all Mummy keeps the chocolate.
Did you say?
Where?
Whoops.
And I found it in my life.
Your entire life? You never had any better? I mean, it's better than any ice cream you've ever had?
Yeah. Mine is what? The sun will come out tomorrow. Petty bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. If I'm stuck for a day, that's great and lonely. I could just my chin and grin and say, oh. come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come on, man.